Now let us consider analogical transfer. So given this target problem, analogical retrieval has led to this source case. Given a model of the target problem and a model of the source case, analogical mapping has also occurred. Correspondence has been established. Thus, we now know that the king corresponds to the tumor, not to the patient, and that the rebel army corresponds to the laser beam. For the source case, we also know the solution. The rebel army divided itself into smaller groups, and the smaller groups all arrived at the fort at the same time. Now the question becomes, how can we transfer this solution to our original target problem? From the source case now, we're inducing a pattern of relationships, a strategy. In this case, the pattern is that if there is a goal, capturing the king, and a resource, the rebel army, and an obstacle between the resource and the goal, the mines on the road, then decompose the resource into several smaller resources and send them to the goal from different directions at the same time. This abstract pattern is now transferred to the target problem and instantiated. Because we know that the goal is the tumor, the resource is the laser gun, and the obstacle is the healthy tissue, we know what to do. We must decompose the resource, the laser gun, into smaller pieces, smaller, less intense laser beams, and send them to the tumor, the goal, at the same time from different directions. This is how we can transfer the problem-solving strategy from the source case to the target problem. Note that this transfer depended upon the correct mapping, the correct alignment between the target problem and the source case, which in turn depended upon the retrieval of the source case corresponding to this target problem. Note the important role of goal here. The goal was to capture the king. So this is an example of pragmatic similarity, where a lot of similarities at the level of the goal, capturing the king, curing the tumor.